Hey there, art enthusiasts and Marvel fans. Welcome back to our creative journey. Today we're diving into the world of Guardians of the Galaxy to sketch one of the most lovable characters in the Marvel Universe, Groot. So grab your drawing tools and hit that like button if you're as excited as I am. As we prepare to bring Groot to life on our canvas, let's take a moment to appreciate this unique character. Groot, a Flora Colossus from Planet X, first appeared in the Marvel Comics in 1960. Despite his limited vocabulary, he's captured hearts around the world with his simple yet profound phrase, "I am Groot." Let's start with the basic shape of Groot. As we sketch, it's interesting to note that Groot's character underwent major changes over time. From an aggressive invader intending to capture humans for experimentation in his initial comic appearances, Groot has evolved into a gentle, noble, and selfless hero. One of the things that makes Groot so captivating is his relationship with other members of the Guardians of the Galaxy, especially Rocket Raccoon. Despite being from different corners of the galaxy and having distinctly different personalities, they form a bond that's truly special and heartwarming. Now, as we delve into the detailing, we must appreciate the unique design of Groot. His woody body texture and his expressive eyes make him stand out. And of course, there's the challenge of making a character that's essentially a tree, both visually interesting and emotionally expressive. In the Guardians of the Galaxy films, Groot is voiced by Vin Diesel, who does an exceptional job bringing depth and expressiveness to a character who speaks only 3 words. Through different inflections and tones, Diesel manages to convey a wide range of emotions. Let's move on to coloring. Groot's color palette primarily consists of natural browns and greens, reflecting his tree-like physique. While we're adding color, it's fascinating to remember how Groot, despite his tough exterior, often serves as the emotional core of the Guardians, demonstrating incredible selflessness and a deep connection to his teammates. Groot's journey from a towering giant to an adorable twig, and then a rebellious teen in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, is a testament to his resilience and adaptability. His ability to regrow allows him to endure and recover from devastating circumstances, symbolizing hope and regeneration. As we put the finishing touches on our Groot sketch, let's reflect on his enduring popularity. Despite his limited speech, Groot's expressive demeanor and actions have made him an unforgettable character. He's a testament to the idea that actions indeed speak louder than words. And there we have it, our very own sketch of the lovable Groot. Drawing Groot is a delightful experience, one that brings us closer to the charm and innocence of this extraordinary character. I hope you enjoyed today's drawing session. Don't forget to share your own rendition of Groot and tag me on social media. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share with your art-loving friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more drawing tutorials and fun facts. As we close today's session, remember that just like Groot, the language of art doesn't always need words to convey its message. A simple stroke, a shade, or a texture can speak volumes. So keep drawing, keep exploring, and remember, we are Groot. Until next time, happy drawing. Happy.